Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of our ReactJS tutorial series. I'm your host, Shani Sinojiya, and today we're going to dive into one of the most essential hooks in React, the useState hook. This hook enables us to add stateful logic to our functional components. So, whether you're new to React or looking to deepen your understanding, you're in the right place. Brief overview of hooks in useState. Using the useState hook in a React functional component. Updating state and re-rendering. Practical example, creating a simple counter application. Before we jump into the useState hook, let's quickly recap what hooks are. Hooks are functions that allow us to hook into React state and lifecycle features from functional components. They were introduced to help us write more reusable and clean code. One of the most commonly used hooks is useState, which enables us to manage state within functional components. To get started with the useState hook, we first need to import it from the React library. Let's dive into some code. In the code snippet, we first use the useState hook to create a state variable called count and an associated updater function setCount. The initial value of count is set to 0. We then render the current value of count and a button that, when clicked, calls setCount to update the state. What's interesting here is that whenever setCount is called, React takes care of re-rendering the component to reflect the updated state. This is one of the reasons hooks like useState are so powerful. They handle the complexity of state management for us. Now, let's run this code and see our simple counter app in action. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the basics of the useState hook in React. This hook is your go-to tool for managing state within functional components. Remember, hooks make our code more modular, readable, and maintainable. In the next tutorial, we'll explore more hooks and how to combine them to build even more complex and interactive applications. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy coding!